Hello everyone, myself Himanshu Joshi. I am a faculty in Sri Labhubai Trivedi Institute of Engineering and Technology, Rajkot. Today I will give a brief video lecture based on how to select your final year BE project. After watching this video, you will be able to select your BE project. So the first question arises in students' mind that why project is offered. So what my idea is that after becoming a graduate or after becoming engineer, each one have to do the teamwork, and whatever in field, either in job or in business, each has particular deadlines. So in project, these two qualities will build up in each student: teamwork and deadlines. Next, the project is an opportunity for students to show the knowledge. And last, my own idea is that project is a bridge which joins student to the industry. So a final year project will gives the four qualities to the student: teamwork, deadline, opportunity to show the knowledge, and project will work as a bridge between student to the industry. So first question arises that how to find the domain of your project. So according to my idea, there are three ways to find the domain for the project. First, based on your interested subject. That means students learn so many subjects during the 4 year, so they can pick up any one of the subject which is interested, and student can find the project but in that particular subject. If I will talking about electrical engineering, there are lots of subjects like electrical machine, power electronics, electrical drives, power system protection, electrical power system, switch gear, testing, commissioning. So student can take any of the subject and he or she can find the project in that particular subject interested area. Second way is apply your own innovative idea. So each student has some creative mind. So based on that creativity, student can find out the innovative project and he or she can work based on its own innovative idea. Third is society related idea. So in society there are many domains in which students can find his own project. So he can solve the society related problem. So the problem related to society can be taken as his domain for the final year BE project. Other different ways is industry defined project. Students can take visit into the industry. He or she can identify the problem in that industry and solve that problem for that particular industry. Other way is student can refer the company website regularly. So based on that product of particular company, student can also take idea from that. Students can do various survey regarding the industry, regarding the society. So based on that survey, student can identify the domain. And last, identify the recent trends. So based on the recent activities done in the way of society, in the way of technology, so they can identify the recent trends and select that trends or develop that trends for their final year BE project. So after selecting the domain, what student have to do student have to clear the fundamental for that particular domain. And the best way to clear the fundamental is starts with reference book. So student can identify the reference books related to their domain. First try to read that reference book, clear the fundamental related to that domain, and then he or she can further proceed into the domain. So start with the topic from reference book first. This will help students to develop the self-confidence that now I will be able to go further in this domain. So if fundamental reference book is not available, then what students have to do? Students have to divide that domain into small section and then try to learn or understand that particular small section. And after understanding that small section, students have to combine that all the section, means combine the knowledge of individual section and try to understand the whole domain or whole topic. So this is the way to learn and boost up the knowledge. This is the first step to work in particular domain. First step is with reference book. After reading the reference book, try to go with basic research paper. See, I tell you about the basic research paper, not advanced. So student or group have to collect at least 10 to 15. This number may be vary depending on the domain, but I suggest 10 to 15 research paper will be enough. So each member have to read at least 3 to 4 research paper. So in particular group, if there are 4 students, then number will be 15 to 16. If it will be 3 members, then number will be 12 to 13 research paper have to study in one group. So read all research paper and try to discuss among all group members that in my research paper this will be the technology, this will be the conclusion. See, so try to make a suitable conclusion from each research paper. So conclusion is the one of the most important part for the particular research paper. Without conclusion, you cannot complete the research paper. These are some of the standard references for the project domain. These are the open access general to find the project domain. These 2 slides, this one is the reference, first one is the IEEE, Springer, Elsewhere, Science Direct. These are the website for electrical and electronics engineering. This is also for the electrical and electronics engineering. Now, how to identify the abstract and objective. So after reading the reference books and research paper, try to prepare a suitable content that will explain your idea. That means that idea will cover 2 parts. First one is the objective, second one is the abstract. Now what is the objective? Try to ask what you want to do in particular domain. The answer is your objective. Next, how will you do in that particular domain? That answer is your abstract. Here, so what you want to do, that is your objective. How will you do, that is your abstract. So based on the conclusion of research paper, conclusion from the reference book, you can find out the particular objective of your domain and particular abstract of your domain. So 6, how to take help from faculties. See, this is one of the best part. Collect all the material of your domain or project. What kind of material? Suitable conclusion from reference book and research paper, abstract and objective. If you will collect all these three, you can arrange a meeting with your faculties. So try to discuss these all three things with the faculties, collect ideas from faculties. This will be give you the further direction of your domain. So to arrange the meeting with the faculties, you need following things: suitable conclusion of books, material, research paper, abstract and objective. After meeting with the faculties, now you are able to select the project title. Okay, so from project title you can further try to find out the objective and abstract of your project. So after following the step 1 to step 7, you will be able to find the project title and make your objective and abstract of your project very clear. Okay, my personal suggestion for all the final year students, that try to make a habit to make a daily notes of your project. What this include? First, daily reading point. You try to make suitable points of your daily reading. Daily ideas of the project. Various techniques you will find from internet, research paper, reference books, various references and some special notes regarding your project. This 5 point will help to prepare your final year project report. See, when you are going to make the report, you will find you always take help from Google, but if you make daily notes, you can prepare your final year project report by your own way. You do not need to take copy paste from websites or any other resources. Based on your daily notes, you are able to write your project report by your own way. So this is one of the good habits, that to make a daily notes of your project. How to proceed in a particular project? So I suggest to make a weekly plan. So make week-wise plan, set a small target for each week. That target may be individual or in a group. If you are 4 members, then you can set 4 small target for each one member, or 2 target for 2 members. So divide the work among the group members. This is the one of the best plan to progress in a particular project. So this is the way to identify the final year BE project. I hope that you can find your final year BE project. If you have any question, then you can ask me personally. Thank you.